See, I just want to show you how quickly this is normal. This was just brand new, I don't know, less than a minute ago, okay, maybe 2 minutes, and this much how much I send. Let me show you again. See, it's already started again from here. When I did this way and I started going back, this is all clogging straight away. It's already clogged here, but then I start going on top, and that's it. This any paper gone too. And this is how much sandpapers are already used. It's like a lot of it, trust me. I know a lot of other competitions, they will use 10 times less, you know, and still make a finish nice table. But you know, we make a good job. We're not anybody else. We are we. So yeah, let's continue.